Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make the most delicious potato dinner. For this delicious recipe, we will need 6 potatoes, 2 onions, 2 bags of Gardein vegan chicken strips. We are using a mandolin to slice potatoes. Then chop onions and add them into the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, salt to your taste, black pepper, 2 full tablespoons of vegan mayo. Mix it together. Put half of the potatoes on the bottom of the baking sheet. Then distribute the vegan chicken strips evenly. Add salt and pepper. Put another layer of potatoes on top. Sprinkle vegan cheese and nutritional yeast on top. Cover it with the foil and put it into the oven at 375 degrees for 1 hour. It smells delicious. Now it's time to serve. If you enjoyed this video and want to see many more delicious recipes, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.